And in your continuing coverage this morning, yesterday, Lexington-Richland Five swore in a new member of the school board, Tifani Moore. She won a special election earlier this month. The board also gave updates on construction projects and proposed solutions to mental health issues within the district. News 19's Nijah Hood has more.
How are the students and teachers in District 5 classrooms? That's a major question the board is asking as they propose ways to help.
We have more students in the building now than we have since the beginning of the pandemic. And as we're excited about the attendance, we are also seeing that we have new challenges of mental health.
Interim Superintendent Dr. Akil Ross says the transition back into the classroom during the pandemic hasn't been an easy one for District 5 students and teachers. Last week, they had a parents' night out at Chapin, Dutch Fork, and Irmo High Schools to start a dialogue about mental health and substance abuse issues.
We will keep working together as a community to address and solve issues impacting students and families within School District 5.
Dr. Ross proposes a couple incentives for teachers. First, permanent employees will get $1,000 on November 19th during American Education Week.
We're dealing with the aftermath of the storm of COVID, and we want to make sure that our teachers are encouraged. We want to make sure that those teachers are supported.
The second incentive is $50 Friday starting in January. Permanent employees would receive $50 a week for showing perfect attendance. Dr. Ross says this is being done to let teachers know they're appreciated.
But it's just a thank you for those teachers who are coming in. You've made it all the way to Friday. You might not have had a chance to plan that week. You might not have had a chance to prepare or call all the parents.
The interim superintendent is also proposing a first job initiative for students. Starting in December, students 16 and up would be given the opportunity to have state-approved work experience. This would include landscaping, custodial, and clerical work.
We hear from our employers. Employers say, I can teach them, but teach them to show up on time. Teach them to say yes, sir, no, sir, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am. Teach them that work ethic and problem solving.
The board has also approved projects to make renovations to the Chapin High School football stadium and replace the east wing at Irmo High School. The stadium at Chapin will have an increased capacity of 6,500 seats, a new press box, team locker room, and restrooms. The renovations will impact the upcoming spring athletics season. In Chapin, Nijah Hood, News 19 WLTX.